This is question 19 on problem solving from the 2018 ECAA. So firstly, the question is about bump charts, and the way that the bump chart works is that you have two different parameters going up each of these black lines, and say someone's height goes up here and someone's weight goes up here. Then the tallest person is the second heaviest person, and the shortest person is the heaviest person. And so it shows relationships like this. And therefore, which one of these bump charts would not be symmetrical about a vertical line in the middle if one axis was reversed? So if the weight line was flipped, so the lightest person was here and the heaviest person was here, and the relationships kept the same, would it be symmetrical about a line like so? So the best way to do this, because this is quite hard to visualize, one of these swapping and the lines keeping the same connections. So let's just draw it with one of them switched. So for A, let's call it the tallest person is the second heaviest person. And if we keep the height column the same and we switch the weight one, so the second heaviest person would now be down here in the second spot up. So the new line would look like this. Then moving on down, the second tallest person is the third heaviest person. So the third heaviest person is now here, the third dot up. And so the line would look like this. And if we keep doing this for the rest of the lines, the finished result would look like this. And is this symmetrical about a vertical line in the middle? So the vertical line would look like this. And it looks pretty symmetrical about this line. So we can say that A is a correct one. And now for B, if we do the exact same thing, the lightest person is the tallest person, and so they would go here now. And if you repeat this for each line, our finished result would look like this. So is this one symmetrical about the line? Indeed it is. So we can tick B as well. Now I'm going to do the rest for C, D and E, but it could be worth pausing the video and see if you can switch them around for yourself. So C looks like this, D like this, and E like this. And so which one is not symmetrical about this line? Well, you can see that it's C. The only one that appears like a jumbled mess compared to the neater D and E that have this line of symmetry. So C as our final answer is the only one that's not symmetrical.